that previously we have looked. Like terms and unlike terms. For example, 3x, 5x. These two are called as like terms. The reason is the coefficient of the variables are same here. That's the reason we call these two terms are like terms. For example, minus 2x. So these all three terms are having the same variables. X is present in this first term, second term and third term. So these are called as like terms. For example, we take any other example. 3x, 7y, 4z. If you observe this, the variables present in this term is x and this y is z. So here the variables are present with this term is different. One to another is x and y and z, and these are called as unlike terms. These are unlike terms. So there is a rule of like terms and unlike terms. We can add and subtract or multiply and divide all these like terms. Like terms can be added or subtracted and multiplied and divided each other. We can add them, subtract them, and also we can multiply and divide them. All the four arithmetical operations we can do the like terms, but coming to the unlike terms, there is no possibility to add them. If we add, we get the same what we have the question. Like if we take 3x, 7y and 4z, we try to add these unlike terms, we get the same solution for 3x plus 7y plus 4z. And subtraction, also see, we can also subtract, we get the same solution. What is the question here? 3x minus 7y, or we subtract the same term. What is 4z? We cannot do any operation with that. So because different variables are present in this. Multiplication is we can multiply with the coefficients, numerical coefficients, 3 to 7 to 4, and we write x, y, z. Just we can multiply them and write. And division, we cannot do the division, and only the numerical coefficients we can divide. And variables which are present, we cannot divide. So, in this, the operations we can do is addition, we cannot do multiplication. Just we can do the multiplication and the division. What? Only for the numerical coefficients, and that too here only numerical coefficients we can multiply. So here what we understood, the like terms and unlike terms, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms, for the like terms, all four arithmetical operations we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But for unlike terms, so just we can do the multiplication and division. If we try to do addition, subtraction, we get the same solution. We get the same what was the question, what are the terms are present, the same thing we get. Let's try to add with this addition, subtraction. For example, we take addition, subtraction for like terms. This is 3x, 5x minus 2x. So for addition, it is 3x plus 5x plus minus 2x. So we have taken an operation of addition between this all the three terms. So we know the foremost rule. We will do first addition. So 3x plus 5x is 8x plus minus 2x. So we do the operations, plus into minus, it becomes minus. So 8x minus 2x, that is 6x. Finally we got the solution for this is 6x. So this is the operation we have done with the addition. And coming to the subtraction, let's try for the subtraction. Subtraction, we need to have any two expressions, but we have three expressions. Let's take any two expressions, 3x and 5x. Let's try to subtract this 2. So we get 3x minus 5x. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. So we got minus 2x there. In this way we can subtract them. Multiplication. 3x, 5x, so 7x. Now we can take three terms because it's not a subtraction. So subtraction, any two terms we can subtract them. So we'll take the multiplication on the 3. So here. So when we are multiplying, first we'll multiply the numerical coefficients that are 3, 5 and 7. 3 into 5 is 15, 15 into 7 is 105, 105. We have written, we multiply the numerical coefficients. Then after, let's see, the values are present in this, or x into x into x, x into x into x. So we have learned the loss of exponents in powers. So they are having the same basis. So we'll add the exponents, that is 105 x power 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So 105 x power 3, this is the multiplication. And division will take any one, two terms should be given. So let us choose any two terms in this. That is 3x and 5x. Let's try to. So cancel this both, we get 3 by 5. So this is the division. So let's go to the next concept. In that, multiplication of algebraic expressions, we'll take the monomial by monomial, and monomial by binomial, monomial by trinomial, binomial by binomial, and binomial by trinomial. And multiply these all the expressions. First, monomial by monomial. We have learned in previous classes monomial. Let's say an expression which is having only one term, we call monomial. So binomial, 2 terms, trinomial, 3 terms, and trinomial, the 3 terms. So let's take monomial. First we solve in horizontal method. So monomial is 1 term. So we have taken the second term, for example 2x. We need to multiply this monomial into monomial. So this is the monomial and monomial. Let's multiply this 2. So we'll be getting first we need to multiply the numerical coefficients, that is 3 into 2, 6. X into x is x squared. So in this manner we multiply the monomial by monomial. Let's take some other example. That is, we take 3x into 5y. These are unlike terms. First we have taken the like terms. Let's take the unlike terms. So we get 3 into 5 is 15. X into y is xy. So for unlike terms, we multiply the numerical coefficients. We find the 15. X into y, xy. So this is monomial by monomial, horizontal method. Let's go to the binomial by binomial. So first, let's take 3x is a monomial. Binomial is 3x plus 2y is a binomial. Let's multiply this both. So we know the distributive property, that is 3x into 3x, dx into 2y. We will distribute this 3x along these two values. This 3x into 3x plus 3x into 2y. So that is 3 3s are 9xy, 3 2s are 6xy. Sorry, this is here. 3 3s are 9x into x square. So 9x square plus 6xy. So if you observe these two, this is x square coefficient and xy is a coefficient. Unlike terms, we can add these two. So it's the same result. And 3x into x plus 2y is a monomial multiplied with binomial using horizontal method. And let's take the next example. Next one is monomial by trinomial. Monomial is 3x. For example, trinomial is 3x plus 2y plus z. Monomial, one term we have. Trinomial is 3 terms. So we'll use the same property, distributive law. Distribution. We need to distribute this 3x along with all the 3 terms. 3x into 3x, 3x into 2y, 3x into z. This 3x into 3x plus 3x into 2y plus 3x into z. So numerical coefficients should be multiplied. In 3 into 3, 9. X into x is x square plus 3 2s are 6 xy plus 3xz. So we can observe here that the coefficient, the variables are different, x square, xy and xz. So we cannot add up these terms. So these are unlike terms. So this is the solution. And we multiply monomial with trinomial. Let's take some other example. Is binomial should be multiplied with monomial. Binomial should be multiplied with binomial. So let's say 3x plus 2y into 4x plus 5y. So first one is binomial, second one is also binomial, and we use the same distribution. So distributive property. So let's multiply first with 3x, then after 2y. So 3x into 5x plus 2y, 4x plus 5y, 2y into 4x plus 5y. So first we need to multiply with 3x, that is 4x plus 5y, and 2y should be multiplied with 4x plus 5y. Let's recall. So multiply with two binomials. First we need to take this first term of this binomial 3x and should be multiplied with whole term 4x plus 5y. Then plus second term we need to take and then multiply with this whole term 4x plus 5y using distribution law, distributive property. So 3x is multiplied with this whole binomial and 2y is multiplied with whole binomial. So let's multiply. We use the same distribution law. Is 3x multiplied with 4x. So use it. Directly write the answer for this. 3 4s are 12. X into x square. 12x square. 3 5s are 15. And x into y, xy. Plus with the second one. So 2 4s are 8. 8xy. This 10y square. So we multiply binomial by binomial. We got this solution. You can look at that. There are two like terms. You can add these two like terms. Write the answer for it. So 12x square plus 23xy plus 10y square. So after simplification of it, and we got the solution by binomial to binomial. Let's go to the next concept, that is binomial by trinomial. So same property, distribution law. So 3x should be multiplied with this whole term, and 2y is also multiplied with this whole term. So 3x into x plus 2y plus z plus 2y into 3x plus 2y plus z. So we use the same distributive property, and 3x into 3x, 3x into 2y, 3x into z, 2x, 2y into 3x, 2y into 2y, 2y into z. And finally we'll be getting answer for it. So 3 3s are 9x squared. So 3 2s are 6 xy, 3xz plus 3 2s are 6 xy, 2 2s are 4y squared. So 2yz. So let us see here. There are like terms of 6xy and 6xy. So after adding these two terms, we get 12xy. So final answer is 9x squared plus 12xy plus 3xz plus 4y squared plus 2yz. Squared plus 12xy plus 3xz plus 4y squared plus 2yz. After simplification of binomial by trinomial, we got the solution. So these are the multiplication of algebraic expressions using horizontal method. And now we will go to the vertical method.